Syros Studio. Create point clouds from CAD data. This is a factory for car rims. Imagine you require a point cloud. First we place a laser scanner. We now scan with a resolution of 02 degrees horizontally and 02 degrees vertically. This is the point cloud. The scan produced 820,000 points. We go back to the model. Now we move the laser scanner and scan again. This is the new point cloud. These are both point clouds together. You may add as many laser scans as you want. You can freely use the point cloud data in Python. You can export point clouds for your purposes. Thank you for watching.